Pag-usapan pa rin natin ngayon ang nangyaring oral argument sa Supreme Court kahapon. PhilHealth issue. Nakakatuwa po itong si Supreme Court Justice Amy Lazaro Javier. Hindi lang siya nagtanong tungkol sa PhilHealth, pati tungkol sa AFP Modernization Fund. Tinanong din niya. At kinestyon niya yung wisdom of Congress kasi talagang sinadya pala ng Kongreso na hindi punduhan ang AFP Modernization Fund. At na-research ni Justice Javier na panahon ni PRRD 2020, for 2 straight years, 2020, 21, 22, billions o pesos pinupundahan ang AFP Modernization Fund. Pag upo ng administrasyong ito, wala na. Kaya, why? Bakit hindi nyo pinunduhan? Nako, kawawa si Solicitor General Guevara, hindi niya masagot. Kaya yung wisdom of Congress, bakit nila tinanggal ang pundo ng AFP Modernization Fund? Yun ang sentro ng talakayan. Kaya pakinggan natin si Justice Javier.
Is this: for the AFP Modernization Program, based on research, 25 billion was allotted for this under the 2020 GAA, 27 billion under the 2021 GAA, 29 billion and 50 million under the 2022 GAA, but no similar item under the 2023 and 2024 GAAs. Yet, Republic Act number 10349 extended the AFP Modernization Program for another 15 years, that is until 2027. In short, this expense is predictable. So why was it placed under the unprogrammed appropriations in 2023 and 2024 GAA?
Again, Your Honor, we cannot speculate on the reasons,
the wisdom
of Congress in postponing or deferring certain
reclassifying these funds, though predictable, from program to unprogrammed. All right. Mr. Solicitor General, thank you. You have all my respect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may go back to your seat. Thank you. My last question
Ulitin natin,
for the AFP Modernization Program, based on research, 25 billion was allotted for this under the 2020 GAA, 27 billion under the 2021 GAA, 29 billion and 50 million under the 2022 GAA, but no similar item under the 2023 and 2024 GAAs. Yet, Republic Act number 10349 extended the AFP Modernization Program for another 15 years, that is until 2027. In short, this expense is predictable. So why was it placed under the unprogrammed appropriations in 2023 and 2024 GAA?
Again, Your Honor, we cannot speculate on the reasons,
the wisdom
of Congress in postponing or deferring certain
reclassifying these funds, though predictable, from program to unprogrammed. All right. Mr. Solicitor General, thank you. You have all my respect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may...
Kawawa si Solicitor General Guevara. Hindi naman siya yung nag-ano sa budget ng Kongreso. Anong may sasagot niyo dyan? Okay. AFP Modernization Fund. I think last December, sa speech ng Pangulo, ang galing. Sabi niya, we will build a world-class armed forces that is a source of national pride para hindi na tayo ibuli, something like that. Talagang pinagmalaki ng Pangulo. Palalakasin daw ang Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ganon din ang kay Speaker Martin Romualdez, yung viral na video call niya kay General Browner, yung ina-announce niya na yung subsistence or food allowance ng sundalo, i-increase natin. Because we will support the armed forces modernization. You have all our support. Ano ngayon? Panahon ni Duterte, ito research. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman. Kaya ang daming nabiling modern equipments ng Armed Forces of the Philippines panahon ni PRRD na on our own, hindi tayo umasa sa tulong ng ibang bansa. self-reliant tayo. Maraming nabili. Bakit? 2020, 25 billion. Budgeted talaga yan. Oh, nabili. 2021 is 27 billion. Binili ng kagamitan. Noong 2022, 29 billion and 500 million pesos. Naibili. Yun. Ginagamit na natin sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Bakit pagdating ng 2023, 2024, yung predictable budget ng AFP as stated in the Republic Act 10349. Batas ito extending the AFP modernization program. Dapat every year na mayroon. Bakit? 2023, panahon na ng Marcos administration, Speaker Martin Romualdez, nandyan na siya. Bakit ang pondo ng AFP modernization inilagay sa unprogrammed funds? Ganon din 2024 inilagay sa unprogrammed funds. For 2025, yung proposed na 50 billion pesos for AFP modernization, winala. Zero. So ganon na naman, unprogrammed funds inilagay. Kaya yun ang tanong ni Justice Javier, bakit nila ginawa yan? We cannot speculate, Your Honor, on the wisdom of Congress. So tinatanong, where is the wisdom of Congress? So calling out Speaker Martin Romualdez, siguro Mig Subira pa noon, ngayon Escudero na, where is your wisdom? Bakit nyo tinanggalan ng budget ng AFP modernization fund? Ngayon, election, ginagawang issue yung pro-China daw ang pro-China daw ang Team Duterte. Sinong nagpundo ng kagamitan ng armed forces para hindi na tayo ibuli ng China? O hindi pa Duterte? Sino ngayon ang pro-China? Di ba ang pro-China yung tinatanggalan ang budget ng armed forces para hindi tayo makabili? Di ba sila yung pro-China? Oy, isip-isip naman yan yung naghuhusga na pro-China ang Duterte. Hindi po pro-China ang Duterte. Dahil sila yung very consistent per research ng Supreme Court Justice. Ilan yun? 25 billion, 27 billion, and 29 billion for 3 years. I-total natin, that is 12, 11, 70, 71, 81 billion in 3 years time. Yan ang inilaan ng Duterte administration para ma-modernize, para may panlaban tayo sa nambubuli sa atin. Ngayon, Marcos administration, from 2023, 2024, 2025, walang budget ang AFP modernization. Sino ngayon ang pro-China? Where is the wisdom of Congress? Bakit tinatanggalan nila ang budget ng AFP modernization?